Now further under RERA 2016, there is a provision under section 79 that is about bar of jurisdiction. This is important provision. That this provision tells that no civil court shall have jurisdiction to entertain any suit or proceeding under this act. Means the matters pertaining coming under the purview of this act, now they cannot be entertained by any civil court. Means any civil court shall not have any jurisdiction to entertain any suit or proceeding which comes under purview of the RERA. That is made clear under section 79, that is called as bar of jurisdiction. Means no other civil court has jurisdiction to entertain the matters pertaining to this act. Further, section 80, that is about cognizance of offence. That is, no court shall take cognizance of any offence punishable under this act or the rules or regulations, save on the complaint in writing made by the authority or by any officer of the authority duly authorized by it for this purpose. Means for offence punishable under this act, unless there is a complaint in writing by the authority or any other person, officer of the authority, duly authorized by the authority, any other person, by any other person, no court shall take cognizance of any offence punishable under this act or rules or regulations. Means directly any party cannot approach to any court to take cognizance of any offence punishable under this act or rules or the regulations. Means the court can take cognizance of any offence punishable under this act, rules and regulations only on complaint in writing made by the authority or any officer authorized by the authority for that purpose. Okay. Further, no court inferior to that of metropolitan magistrate or a judicial magistrate. Means in metropolitan cities, Mumbai, like Mumbai, in Maharashtra, Mumbai, metropolitan magistrate, and in other areas, judicial magistrate of first class shall try an offence punishable under this act. Because the punishment of imprisonment, etc., that is to be awarded by the magistrate, and for that purpose, no court inferior to that of metropolitan magistrate or a judicial magistrate of the first class shall try any offence punishable under this act. Okay. But to try to take cognizance, there has to be complaint either by the authority or any officer of the authority duly authorized for it by the authority for that purpose. So these are some important other provisions under the RERA which we must have knowledge about. Okay. So this was about the RERA Act, Real Estate Regulation Act 2016. Substantial portion of the act which we as the practitioners and common public they are interested in, that I have completed in this part of my lecture which I have delivered throughout. So this my lecture will help you to understand the RERA Act along with relevant provisions in rules, regulations, etc. And I think all will appreciate my effort to deliver this which the lecture I have delivered to you. Thank you very much for listening this entire lecture on the RERA. Thank you very much.